This is the GLK3 compact Decoiler-Straightener-Feeder. It handles material thickness from 0.5 millimeters to 4.5 millimeters with a max coil width of 400 millimeters. The movable press arm secures the coil to avoid material deviation during feeding. The hydraulic spindle can expand and contract to fit coils with different inner diameters for convenient loading. The decoiler unit supports adjustable forward and reverse rotation speed. The liftable coil up arm supports coils to achieve smooth coil threading. The whole decoiler structure can move horizontally to complete positioning work. The straightener feeder unit is equipped with a pneumatic swing arm to assist coil threading. Pneumatic devices lift the upper straightening rollers, and the roller set flattens materials. Adopting an all-in-one integrated design, this machine is fitted with Siemens PLC control system, automatic lubrication unit and feeding encoder, as well as a self-diagnosis safety system. It runs steadily, saves workshop workspace, and fits various metal stamping production lines.